Hey, Dave with Rex. We're going to take a look at this 7500D-H portable gas generator today. This machine is affordable, portable, easy to maintain. This is a reliable source of 120 or 240 volts. You can power all kinds of things off of this on your acreage, anywhere outdoors, all kinds of construction equipment. You can plug your guitar in outside and annoy the neighbors. Heck, you could even weld, maybe even dry your clothes. Comes equipped with a convenient electric start, 12 volts, or in case you forget your battery dies, you've got a pull start here too. Real men use the pull start. Oh yeah. It's a reliable source of emergency power, single phase, rated up to 6,500 watts. It's got a 420cc gasoline engine, 25-liter tank, and it's EPA certified for today's emission standards. Being that this is an open frame generator, one of the questions we commonly get, is it loud? It's actually not too bad. Running at 50%, it'll put out about 75 dB. So there you have it, the Rex 7500D-H portable generator. Oh, and it's got these convenient handles. Makes it easy to move. Oh, my back.